Welcome to the future innovation. In the modern world, Façade Industries looks to boost productivity, reduce cost, makes more intelligent decisions, manages growth, and achieves competitive advantages to beat the competition. Upgrade your business activity. Now the modern ERP solutions deliver everything that business needs. Façade Industries can now profit from ERP to upgrade its business activities. Especially ERP offers mobility to the Façade Industries and connects everyone across the organization. Roadmap ERP solutions facilitate the global operations to adapt to the changing business conditions. Provides coordination to the manufacturing industries for collaborative design process. Product ideation and innovation. ERP's business intelligence will make the process more streamlined. Organizations proactively manage business performance with real-time analytics like reports, alerts, and key performance indicators with integrated business intelligence. No rush. No obligations. Deploying Roadmap ERP is the brilliant choice for manufacturers in the Façade Industries. Optimizing workflows. ERP address the challenges by streamlining business process. Proactively manage performance in the Façade Industries. Provides real-time visibility for decision-making while manufacturing. Quality and compliance. Roadmap ERP helps in every phase of development in Façade Industries that includes products invention and innovation, speeding formulation development, manages complex product portfolios, optimizing workflows, effortless task management. Customer-Centric Innovation. The business world has evolved dramatically over time, so Roadmap ERP simplifies the process. Now business persons are focused on modern, revolutionary software solutions like ERP. Get the Roadmap ERP for making the business process more agile and effortless.